Alright guys, check this out. This is the RAWMAXX. It's kind of like a Diamond C, but it's different. It has the front, but it also has one for the spare tire, which is pretty good. It's just, the build quality on this thing's pretty amazing. Look at that. This is one heavy duty trailer. They thought of everything on here. Okay, this looks like a blackwood decking over here because you're gonna run your vehicle up here. It looks like some kind of Rhino liner Line-X. Obviously for the show they got some crazy wheels on it. But this is a nice heavy duty trailer. There's another one, man. RAWMAXX. This is the RAWMAXX. Pretty crazy, guys. I love this. I love how they did this. This is smart. Alright guys, this is their BFT trailer. Big FN trailer. See BFT? They actually just built this. This is their new design. It's from WATCHDOG Trailers. Pretty new to the industry, but it looks like they're doing really good stuff, man. I mean, I'm just loving the innovation on this. Again, this was just thrown together as kind of a prototype, so it's not like production ready, but it's gonna be.
I've used trailers in my life, and I've dropped the bucket right here, get dirt all over it, and I wanted something that you could wash off easy, so it don't sit there. It's just a preference of mine that I thought other people would enjoy. Big toolbox, I wanted to put that on there. Got 4 pockets here. I like the little things like the grooves. The grooves right here.
Yeah, walk on them, Sandy. They're crazy. They grip you, dude.
Yeah, they actually do.
You slip off the other ones. Like the other ones, I'm always afraid I'm going to slip through and lose an ankle, aren't you?
No, I mean, I can see a roller packer going up that with no problem. Really, that's the thing. I mean, I would have zero issue, because like that's always a little bit of a nerve wrack. Like I try to get, when I'm roller pack up, try to get it right in the center going, oh, I got this much room to play this way or that way.
That's a nice trailer, guy. Oh, look at that easy step. That's a good idea right there. Good step.
How you doing, sports sir? Doing great, there. All right, just almost ready to go out.
Ooh, look at this one right here. This one's signed the Lowrider GT. Ooh, I like that trailer, you guys. I like this Lowrider GT. Coming soon from Doolittle. Wow, hydraulics. We got hydraulics on the front. Grab a marker. Oh, that's a great idea. Grab a marker and write your suggestions how you want this trailer built. What have people been writing? D-ring. Golf car D-rings. Add straight axle, make it a trailer. Add more traction for narrower equipment. So this is kind of a crazy custom one-off trailer where they showed all their options. So basically, you have their steel deck option with the D-rings in it. You have their blackwood option. You have the rail over option. Fork option here. They have a winch. See how it's all set up over here, all different. Pretty crazy.
What we got on this
Quickloader, and I said I wanted a small trailer. He's like, how small? Do you like Legos? He's got a Lego of the actual trailer.
So, we build the only trailers in the world that can automatically move load-to-sea shipping containers. The way this works, it's fully automatic. The driver backs up to a container. They pull out their cell phone. They can see what's behind them on the cameras that are built into the thing. They push a few buttons, and the trailer will grab the container, load it on there, 2 minutes, and away they go. Nobody else in the world builds something that can automatically move a load-to-sea shipping container.
What? Like automatic.
Automatically.
Holy cow.
So this is the baby one, and this one sells to general contractors, big utility companies, you know, people who want to be able to move heavy equipment, work as a flatbed. It can actually unload itself with pallets, but mainly it's designed around moving and loading sea shipping containers.
I don't.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think Landon's at the booth right now.